Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Andres. If this is your first time visiting my channel, don't be shy, hit that subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell and you'll be notified every time I upload a video every week. Okay, I think I'm doing progress when it comes to me uploading a video every week. Today, in this video, we are going to review the Revlon, oh snap, what is it called? My bad. The Revlon One Step Hair Dryer. Ding. Like, I know there's a lot of videos already reviewing this product. I'm not the type of person that does her hair. Like, I don't straighten my hair every week. If I do straighten my hair, I straighten my hair at least once every 6 months. I'm gonna try and change that because I do like having straight hair. I love my curly hair as well, but I do need to get a trim like every 3 to 4 months. So I am going to make a promise to myself to straighten my hair at least once a month and trim my hair every 3 to 4 months. So my hair could just be, you know, growing and luscious, and I want to have the best of both worlds. I want to have the straight hair and I want to have the curly hair. So today we're gonna do straight hair. I want to try this out and see if this works for me, if this will cut down the straightening time for me, because what I do is I do Rolos. I go into the hair dryer and that usually takes me like an hour and a half since I have long hair. So it's a process. So I want to see if I could cut down that process using this. So I did wash my hair and I detangled with my new detangling brush. I love this. This is awesome, you guys. You can find this on Amazon. I already put in heat protectant. I've been like this, wearing these little things in my head for like maybe 2 hours now. As you can see, I have curly hair. Look at my hair type a little bit closer so you guys can see. So I have pretty, maybe like 3B, 3C hair, and it's pretty long. My hair is pretty long. So look at that. My hair is long. So we're going to put a timer on my phone and we're gonna see how long it takes me to straighten my whole head. I'm gonna put this on high and we're starting. and 30 seconds so far, and that's because I wanted to make sure I got the roots, and I wanted to make sure that it got my ends. You don't want to have nasty looking ends. So I do need to get a trim. Like I said, it's been a couple months since I've gotten a trim, but look at that, you guys. Look at that shine. Oh my god, look at that shine. And my hair is so soft. Like, obviously I think I might do a little bit of the straightener, but so far I'm loving it. Look at that. Oh my god. And look how long my hair is. Like, yeah. Alright, we're back. Alright, so I think this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna cut it in half. As y'all can see, my curly hair, I'm not lying. I got some curls. Woo! Alright, so we're gonna spray heat protectant on our ends. Oh, this smells so good. I also got this on Amazon. Yeah, I'll be ordering everything on Amazon right now because of the quarantine. Almost everything, almost. Ooh, my mirror's right here, so we're gonna put this on high again and work on your roots. past my breast up to here. Look how long it is from the back, from where my pants are. They're a little high-waisted, but my belly button's right there. So it reaches a little bit more than half my back, right? Almost touching my booty. Booty's right here. My hair is right here. Look at my backdrop. Ay, Dios mío. Total time for me to straighten my hair, because obviously it's not pin straight like I like it. It's just blow dried. You can leave it like this if you want, if you don't want to put a lot of heat into your hair. But I do, ooh, my lashes. I do like to have my hair pin straight when I do have it straight. Some edges that this brush right here, the Revlon hair dryer, cannot straighten. Like, I tried, and for the life of me, these bristles they don't grab my little hairs right there. You know what I mean? So that was a little fail, but I'm not too worried about that. It cut a lot of time straightening my hair, I guess.
It was at this moment that he knew.
What happened? Anyway, that was the whole point of the video, was for me to show you how long it was. Hopefully you guys can take my word for it, but it was 24 minutes and I think 58 seconds, almost 25 minutes for me to blow dry my hair. And that's because I was going a lot on the ends, you know, trying to make sure that the ends were fully dried. And again, I said that I need to cut my ends. I'm happy, I like it. And passing the straightener just around the edges right here. I recommend this dryer. Look at you guys, look how soft my hair is. And again, I said I need to cut my ends, but look how my fingers just glide through my ends. My hair is shiny. So I definitely recommend this hair dryer for women who have my hair type, or all hair types. I recommend if you like to cut your time in half when it comes to straightening your hair. Again, it's not gonna leave it bone straight, but pretty good job. Like, you don't need a brush and a hair dryer and just, you know, it did a great job when it comes to straightening your hair and not needing a lot of tools. So los recomiendo, mis amigas. Cómprese su Revlon hair dryer, especialmente mis mujeres caribeñas. Esto trabaja muy bien. Y mira cómo ha dejado mi pelo muy suave, con brillo. Y tengo esto, que tengo el pelo bien largo, para que sepan. Mira, ya tú sabes, si quieres te puedes pasar un chin de la plancha al frente y ya, ready to go, lista, mi amor. No necesita mucho. So especially for all my mommies out there, you want to cut your time in half, I recommend this dryer. Oh, sorry that my stupid phone decided to take out the timer, but it was 24 minutes to get my hair done with that dryer. I feel cute. You already know, ya ustedes saben. Get yourself one. And if you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Ciao.